There was drama at the magistrate court in Lilongwe as lawyers in the Shepherd Bushiri extradition case went back and forth in their arguments over the South African witnesses who are supposed to testify in the case. Magistrate Madalitso Chimwaza has finally set Monday 22nd of August 2022 for the ruling on whether the alleged 29 witnesses in the Bushiri extradition case will testify in South Africa or in Lilongwe physically. This was after counsel for the state and the defense had made their submissions on the case. The state, through the Director of Public Prosecutions, Dr. Steve Kayuni, maintained that the witnesses should not travel to Malawi to testify because South Africa has competent courts that can record testimonies for the same purposes for use in the Malawian court. However, lead counsel for the Bushiris, Wapona Kita, argued that it will be inappropriate for witnesses to testify whilst in South Africa as the state failed to prove why the witnesses cannot travel to Malawi. It further stated the state's argument that transporting witnesses to Malawi to testify will be expensive was neither here nor there, and that this was no solid basis for the witnesses not to testify in Malawi. Recall that a law expert at the University of Johannesburg Law Clinic said witnesses in the case didn't have to go to Malawi to testify because they could be bullied and their security could not be guaranteed by the state or South Africa.
To actually trigger this or push this inquiry into a sort of a trial situation where they actually want the witnesses to come and stand in the witness box in Malawi in an inquiry. Now, an inquiry is a little bit much more informal than the normal court proceedings. It's not where you have to now give evidence, you have evidence in chief, cross-examination. That's what's normally happening in trial. But it seems like they already want to use this inquiry to say, listen, look what the witness is saying, and they are not credible witnesses, and most probably they will try and bully the witnesses while they are in Malawi. We cannot guarantee, because it's out of South Africa. Malawi is a sovereign state. Can our authorities actually guarantee the safety of these witnesses? That to me is a big concern.
Having listened to both parties, Magistrate Madalitso Chimwaza will make her final ruling on the matter on the 22nd of August 2022.